We can tell we're in the UK Pavilion at World Showcase because this is happening. And me and Grant are taking shelter. Ah! We've both got a phone box each. Look at them, they're all getting soaked. Jesus. Remember this, folks, you get caught short. Remember the little old telephone boxes. Oh, it's lashing it down. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No.
Come to Florida, they said.
Yeah, come to Florida.
I recommend these T for two personalised rain boxes.